Hi, today we are going to learn how to import and manage reviews from WooCommerce. The CM Reviews and Ratings plugin allows your users to leave reviews and rate posts, pages and products on your site. The plugin is highly customizable and flexible, so you can configure it according to your needs and manage all reviews. In this example use case video, we will cover how to transfer WooCommerce reviews under the CM Reviews and Ratings management. By default, the plugin WooCommerce allows your users to leave reviews to products. It can be done on the product page under the Review tab. You can see there all reviews related to this product and the form for submitting reviews. It is possible to change this reviews system. It can be done by importing all WooCommerce reviews to the plugin CM Reviews and Ratings and switching the way of leaving reviews. This way you will be able to control all reviews on your site in one centralized place. So our steps are: import WooCommerce reviews, disable WooCommerce Reviews module, enable the Reviews module provided by CM Reviews and Ratings. First step, navigate to CM Reviews, Settings, General tab. Scroll down, find the option Import WooCommerce Reviews and click on it. After clicking OK, you will see the message that the reviews were imported successfully. Now, when all WooCommerce reviews are imported to the system of CM Reviews and Ratings, you can manage them by navigating to CM Reviews, All Reviews. On this page you can see all reviews, the reviews that were imported from WooCommerce and the reviews from other posts that were left using the Reviews module provided by CM Reviews and Ratings. Here you can filter reviews by their status, filter reviews by their rating, sort reviews by the posts they belong to, sort reviews by the date, hide or publish reviews, and delete reviews. Be careful, as if you delete the review that was imported from WooCommerce, this review cannot be imported again. And have a note that managing imported from WooCommerce reviews don't affect on the reviews under the products. So to manage reviews for products, we need to disable the Reviews module provided by WooCommerce and enable the Reviews module provided by CM Reviews and Ratings. To do this, navigate to WooCommerce, Settings, Products. Uncheck the option Enable Reviews, then click Save Changes. Now the Reviews tab disappeared from the WooCommerce product pages, so it's time to move to the next step, enabling Reviews module provided by CM Reviews and Ratings. Navigate to CM Reviews, Settings. Under the General tab you need to configure two options. Auto Add Shortcode. Enable this option to automatically add the Reviews module to the chosen post types. Choose Post Types. Here you need to check the option Product WooCommerce, so the Reviews module worked on the WooCommerce product pages. Then click the button Update. Now let's see the result. The product pages now have a new review form, and all reviews and ratings from WooCommerce products were transferred to CM Reviews and Ratings and can be managed from there. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to transfer WooCommerce reviews under the management of the CM Reviews and Ratings plugin. Thanks for watching the video.